how to stop Life360 from draining your battery. First, open the Life360 app and make sure you're using the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Life360, then tap Battery. Choose the option that allows you to control background battery usage instead of keeping the app unrestricted. Next, go to App Permissions. Make sure Life360 has the location access it needs for your circle features to work, but avoid unnecessarily enabling other permissions. Avoid repeatedly force closing Life360. The app says force closing it can interfere with location updates and may actually cause additional battery use when the app has to restart. You can also reduce battery drain by lowering your phone's screen brightness, disabling unnecessary background apps, and keeping your device updated. And that's how to reduce Life360 battery drain. For more Android, iPhone, and app troubleshooting tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.